So let's start with solving the problem of repeated and manual client deliverables first. This system solves the problem of your team sending the same deliverables manually every week. So this is called the client deliverables hub. Okay, this is an internal view for the agency where you can see the deliverables, the review links across all of your clients just at one place. So you can see that here are the client's name and all of the deliverables are like organized in clients groups. Okay, and the next part is you can track here what's the deliverable name, the review link, due date. This is a due date to review the things internally and who it is assigned to inside your team. So as soon as you update the status as client review, that same link and all of the details automatically appear in the respective client portal. For example, here I have random examples. This is Jesse. Okay. So whenever you update it as a client review, the same details will appear in this client space. Now let me show you one example. Let's move on. Let me show you the client portal first. So you can see here we have the client portals for all of the clients, and I will move on to Jesse. And here you can see we have the client review for the client. Okay. So you can see here we have the only one entry. And now I am going to update this task as next 2 weeks posters review. I would update it as a client review, and the next part is review 2 weeks to website blogs. So I would update it as a client review. And the next part is here you can see all of the details are moved here, and here you can assign to your client. So this is not a real client, it's just an example. So I can't assign anyone here while showcasing the example. So this is how the deliverables are sent to your client without copying the links and sending the repeatable messages. Now comes the part why this system works for the growing agencies. So the first reason is that it removes a lot of manual activities for the team. And the second part is it centralizes the information instead of spreading across tools. And the third part is it removes a lot of client back and forth when it brings visibility. As agencies grow, complexities grow along the way because of more clients and more team members and more moving parts. But when your setup is simple, lean, and centralized, things stay simple even when the volume increases. So, if you're thinking about building a more centralized setup like this for your agency, feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn or email. This because this is the exactly kind of structure and system I help founders set up. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.